my honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix myself a ribeye steak. Just one. And it's about an inch thick. See there? But anyway, I'm going to wash it. We'll rinse it off. Pat it dry. Well, y'all can watch me. Nice looking piece of meat. Nice marbling. And it's that thick. Okay, I'm going to pat this meat dry. I'm going to air fry it. I always put mustard on everything. It's plain yellow mustard. Hot dog mustard. Somebody wanted to know why I put mustard on my chicken. I put mustard on ribs, I put it on steak, I put it on pork, I put it on fish. It adds another layer of flavor to the meat. Plus, what it got in mustard? Okay, it has vinegar, which tenderizes, mustard seed, which seasons, got salt, and turmeric and paprika. Okay, some mustards don't have salt, but this one does. Got this from Walmart. But anyway, it adds another layer of flavor to the food, plus it tenderizes. And plus, turmeric is good for you. I'm going to be using a new seasoning I just got today. It's the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch seasoning blend. So I'm just going to smush this mustard on here, both sides. And the meat will not taste like mustard. It just seasons it. Get that question all the time. Folks who don't even like mustard will like their meats seasoned with mustard. I don't know why they put the seasoning on there already. I'm going to have to smush it again. And I'm going to poke some holes in it. Okay. Well, this should be preheating. Okay, I'll be using my COSORI 5.8 quart air fryer. This is the smart air fryer, but I'm just putting it on regular setting. Okay, I'm going to preheat 400 degrees for 5 minutes. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to stick the steak like that. The old-fashioned way of tenderizing. I also have a sous vide machine thingy, so I'll be using it in a little while. Once I figure out exactly how to use it, the company sent me one. I'm not going to put any oil on this steak. touch the steak again until I'm ready to eat it. Okay, it has 2 minutes left to preheat, but I'm going to put my steak in here now. So I'm going to stop it. Actually 2, maybe 3 steaks can fit in here at one time. This is the 5.8 quart COSORI air fryer. That's what it looks like. So let's see what setting we're going to put it on. Here's the steak. 400 degrees for 6 minutes. No, I don't want no bloody looking steak. So let me set the time. I'll say 10 minutes. I want it medium well. So we're going to see. And this is the smart air fryer. It works with Wi-Fi. I'm choosing to work with it like a regular air fryer. So for those of you all who are into gadget and stuff, this air fryer is it. I've actually used it to cook something using my iPad with the VSync app, which is free to download. Okay, I'll be back when my steak is done, and I don't plan on flipping it over. We're gonna see. Oh, and I have it sitting on this rolling countertop tray. It rolls it back and forth, because your air fryer is not supposed to be jammed up against the wall when you're using it. There's a vent in the back, and the air has to circulate. Plus, you don't want the paint blistering from all that heat. Okay, I'll put the link for the rolling countertop tray also. It's been cooking for 9 minutes, so I'm going to check it. Looks like that. It's thick, so I know it ain't done. I'm going to flip it since it is so thick. Let it finish. I'm going to put another, how many minutes? Another 4 minutes on it. I put 5 minutes to make that 15 minutes total for this extra thick steak. So, in the meanwhile, I'm making some mashed potatoes in the microwave. This kind, Bob Evans mashed potatoes. I got some salt and pepper and a pat of butter in here. So Walter is the mashed potato maker, not me. I'm ready to eat now. I don't want to wait. So he'll probably make himself some instant mashed potatoes. I can't make that. I'll be back. Okay. Oh, it just shut off. Oh, a message just flashed across the screen. It said my food is ready. A VSync app message just flashed across the screen. It said my food is ready. Okay, it just beeped, and I know y'all heard it. So we're gonna see. put it on the plate and see, because I don't want no blood or nothing dripping out of my steak. Y'all see what I'm doing? Looks good. Juicy. You ain't supposed to cut it right away, or I still see too much pink. Wait a minute, let me see. Oh my. I think I wanted to cook a little bit more. It's tender, it looks good. You all see that? Okay, I'm going to let it cook just a little bit more. So I want it to be more done. Oh, let me turn this off. Just a couple more minutes. That's what I have on my salad. Catalina salad dressing. I'll be using A1 and Heinz 57 sauce on my steak. Got a brother, he don't put any steak sauce on his steak. He don't put barbecue sauce on his ribs either. He likes to taste the season the meat. But I want it out. Okay, I think it should be done by now. Yep. Okay, I will wash this later. Turn it off. Unplug it. My daughter leaves hers plugged in, but I unplug my stuff. Don't want no accidents. Okay, let's see. We'll see if it's seasoned good and if it's tender. Okay, that's the way it looks. Medium well. This is good, y'all. Seasoned good. I didn't have a bunch of seasonings lined up. I used one thing. Where is it? I don't know where it is now. This here. Good. For real. Let me put this sauce on here, because I like sauce. Okay, I need a thumbnail. Okay, this is my medium well ribeye steak with some salad and some mashed potatoes. And it's done. Medium well and really juicy. And it cooked at 400 degrees for about 17 minutes for an inch thick steak. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave a link for everything I talked about in this video. The rolling countertop tray, the COSORI air fryer. What else? That's all. And this other stuff you can find at Walmart. The Bob Evans mashed potatoes, bag of salad, and the steak. So, I'm about to get my eat on while the steak is still piping hot. Okay, y'all have a blessed day. Okay, bye.